In this lesson, we will learn how to craft a SQL statement that will return all the rows and all the columns from a table. Recall that rows are also known as records, and columns are also known as fields. First, please notice that I am using a SQL environment that is slightly different from the one you are to use to complete your exercise. This is intentional, as I want you to focus on the SQL query code we will write and the results generated apart from the environment used. For illustration purposes, I am using a database that is different from the ones you may use for your exercises. This database contains a table named items, which contains an imaginary list of music albums that would be a part of a music store's inventory. The first part of our SQL query code is the select statement. We will use that in conjunction with the wildcard operator, or asterisk. This statement tells the database engine that we want to display all of the fields. Alternatively, we could list the names of the fields we want to display, but the wildcard operator is a quick and convenient way to simply list all of them. Next, we need to specify the entity, also known as a table, from which we want to obtain these records. This is done using the from clause. We normally end a query with a semicolon. This is optional with some database engines. Finally, we execute the query. This is typically done with a run or execute button provided by the query client. Our query results appear, and as we see, the entire contents of the table, including all rows and columns, are displayed. This concludes the lecture.